Wall Street. Well, some time ago, I heard about an overdraft, but what is an overdraft anyway? An overdraft occurs when you try to withdraw more money than what you have in your account, making your account balance negative. Well, what happens in that case? Am I allowed to withdraw the money or not? Normally, the bank or credit union that your account is in would refuse the withdrawal or return the check that you sent because of non-sufficient funds, or NSF, and charge an NSF fee for this, which is about $35 for most banks. Is there any way to avoid that? Yes, you can avoid this by enrolling for Overdraft Protection. What is Overdraft Protection? When you opt for Overdraft Protection, the bank allows you to withdraw money even when you have insufficient funds. Basically, the bank lends you the money to cover the shortfall. Well, do banks and credit unions charge an overdraft protection fee? Yes, there is usually an overdraft protection fee of around $35 for each time you make an overdraft. The bank or credit union can also charge interest on the shortfall amount. Well, what is the advantage of overdraft protection if the overdraft protection fee is almost the same as the NSF fee that I'm charged when I don't have the overdraft protection anyway? Even though you are charged a fee in both cases, your payment would not be declined if you have overdraft protection. That means that if you have written a check for paying your rent, for example, it would not bounce. This would help you to avoid any non-payment, late payment, or check return fee that can be charged by your payee. Are there any disadvantages of overdraft protection? If you use it too much, the overdraft protection fees and interest can add up, which is not good for your finances. You should try to keep a little extra money in your account to prevent overdrafting by mistake. Well, is there any alternative to overdraft protection? Some banks do let you link your savings account with your checking account. In this case, if you overdraw your checking account, money from your savings account is transferred to your checking account to cover any shortfall. There is a fee for this as well, but it is usually much less than an overdraft fee. Thank you very much for telling me about overdraft and overdraft protection, Wall Street. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend! Hey, people! If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy piece of finance.